Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07. The first one we need to check is your Bluetooth turn on. So open control panel and turn on it here. Now, if you have Android, your earbuds will connect automatically, but on iOS you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and right here you need to tap at your earbuds. Also, if you can try to do this on your Android device. Next, if it didn't help you, we need to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case, and now close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone, and we can check it at the device list. If you have iOS, you will see that it's no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, also meaning the same. Then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will connect with your phone automatically. If it also didn't help you, still haven't connection, next step I recommended to remove and add these earbuds. So at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return. After that, we need to press and hold at the connection button, but your earbuds should be inside the charging case. So you press and hold until the LED lights start blinking blue and white. Here we go. Now we can see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. And we have connection. If it also didn't help you, I recommended to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, we have two options. We can use an application, but I guess you cannot because you cannot connect your earbuds with the app. So the only way is to manually perform factory reset. You need to also put your earbuds to the charging case. Do not close the case. And you need to press 3 times at the connection button. 1, 2, 3. Then you need to also open Bluetooth and click the information icon or settings icon to remove it from your phone. So forget the device and forget device. Now if you have Android, again click pair new device at the top. If you have iOS, just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return here and then tap at your earbuds here. Okay, I have one more option to you. How to fix it is to reset Bluetooth settings, but when we did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So firstly, I will show you how to do this on iOS and then on Android. But some Android phones have system what's similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a good path. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings and go to the General Settings. Then scroll down, and at the bottom we have Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click Reset. And right here we need to select Reset Network Settings because we cannot choose to reset only Bluetooth settings. So on the network, then you need to write your password and click Reset. But again, you will remove all your networks from your phone. And that's it for Android. Now let's move. That's it for iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and you need to go to the system on stock Android. It's located at the. You need to scroll down, and right here we have it. And then you need to scroll down again, and at the bottom we have Reset options. Tap at this line. And right here you need to select Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Then reset, but again, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.